right, here's the moment of truth, guys. Can we rev it? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting day. I'm finally getting the AWE exhaust put onto the Supra. I know you guys have seen the color, I know you guys seen the wrap already, but now it's finally time to put the AWE exhaust onto the Supra. I love the way the stock Supra sounds, but there's just something about the AWE exhaust that I like a lot. I've been watching clips day and night, praying that hopefully I can get the exhaust installed, and the day is finally here. So we're gonna head to Abushi where they're gonna be working on the car, and then we'll pick up there, guys. Abushi, let's go inside and talk to Roscoe. What's up, dude?
What up, homie?
Yo, yo.
Yo. Caught me lacking. What's up, guys? Did you bring the Z4 or no?
Did I bring the Z4? You excited?
All right, so we got the exhaust, we got the downpipe. We actually got something I ordered for you, and it was on back order forever, and I wanted to make sure that you were here to see it. It's here. So we got the downpipe, we got the exhaust, we got the wheels coming in, the wrap is done. Next is something else. If they're gonna follow me, just might as well follow me on the gram too. Shit.
Okay.
Roscoe.
We'll put that in the bottom. Don't worry about that. Yo, come on, bro. I always look out. I always look out. I always show up. What are these?
These are Vossens for a 765. And then we did the inner barrels in red.
That's crazy, dude. Aw, shit.
Oh,
no way, dude.
very special.
It's about time, dude.
So these are considered cup kits, not lowering springs or coilovers. It's like Ariel, baby. Basically, the way this works is typically in a regular application, you have a regular lowering spring.
Okay.
Your lowering spring is going to raise your spring rate from, let's say your car is, let's say, I don't know, 350 pounds. Lowering springs typically shorten the height of the spring, which allows you to drop the car, and the spring rate itself is also upgraded to, let's say, 450 pounds or 500 pound spring rate. And what this does is it gives you the ability to have adjustment. So this slips right over your factory shock, and then you have, this is gonna sit in the thing like this, whatever. You use your factory shock, it's gonna slip through the middle, and then you have the ability to adjust it with the collar. But the biggest surprise of all is I turned your Z4 Supra into an i8.
Oh, shit.
New wrap.
Definitely not happy with that.
The doors go up.
Well, can we close them so we can get the car out of here so I can pull my car in, or?
Yes, good idea. This alone will allow you to gain more horsepower only because of efficiency, not for any other reason. So a lot of people think that if I just throw a downpipe on the car, you know, this is like a power upgrade. Realistically, it's not necessarily a power upgrade. Your turbo is working more efficient, so it nets better horsepower.
All right, guys, so we're about to pull the Supra in. Finally gonna start the exhaust. It's been quite a while I've been waiting, but we're finally here. Send it! No. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys some cold starts and some regular revs, and then we're gonna start putting the exhaust on. Jesus. All right, well, I was not expecting that. Definitely a big eye opener, but it's gonna be way louder with this exhaust. About to go up. So the hardest part of the exhaust is just done, apparently. So now everything should be a breeze. So how long is it gonna take us to get done?
About an hour.
An hour. It's 3:42. Countdown begins, bro. Countdown begins now. The stock exhaust is out. It took about like 10 minutes. Give you guys a little view of what it looks like. with the AWE exhaust, you actually lose this valve over here. This is the gasket that we're going to be reusing, but I would recommend probably if you're going to get the downpipe on the website, they probably sell it to you for like, I think it's like $12. I'm not really sure, but what do you think? That they should definitely get another gasket or use a stock one? Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I never realized how easy it was to put this on.
Generally, when reusing a gasket, I like to try to keep it back the same way I took it out. And these up, and then she's good to go back.
We're off. Dude. I think that's a nail. What time is it? 3:59. So it's been like maybe a little over 10 minutes. And we already have the downpipe in.
The thing I hate about getting exhaust, you gotta always check the stuff. See when it's bent like that?
Yeah.
That's what makes the install take longer. Got one 3-inch, 3.5, 3-inch.
And where does this go?
In your mouth. Yeah, there is something missing.
Save the day, dude! Oh my god, I was sweating, dude. Yeah, that would have sucked. But luckily we had the sleeve. It was in there. Make sure you check the box for that, because it was floating around in there. It wasn't in the small box that came with it. Let's see where these are gonna sit on the back bumper. I don't know. Oh, it doesn't look terrible. Safety?
Well, just while I'm adjusting it, and this will also help to align it. Align it where you want it to go.
Oh, so it doesn't wiggle around more, right? Ah, so that's the trick right there, guys. This little piece right here. There's a lot of adjustment, you said?
There is.
It is currently now 4:26. So I think we're about 15-20 minutes out. But we have, the exhaust is pretty much in, it's gotta be bolted up. So the last adjustment we have on the exhaust is actually this little piece right here. We have a little bit of space on the top and the back, but we're gonna fix that up right now. It's currently 4:31, like 10 minutes. So it is currently 4:47. I think he's just making some final adjustments. Tips are good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, tips are pretty perfect, in my opinion. Definitely an hour.
Yeah, realistically.
Realistically, it was an hour.
If we weren't filming, it would definitely been an hour.
Yeah. So the moment of truth. Thanks AWE for this. Appreciate it. All right, here's the moment of truth, guys. Wow. Can we rev it? Yo, that sounds good, bro. Right? Alright, so we just took the car and this sounds crazy. I'm so impressed with this car and the way it sounds, it's not even funny. I did not even expect the car to sound like this. I'm gonna turn around. Yo. Yo. I wish you guys could hear this. This sounds crazy. Hold on, let me put the heat on. Put the windows down. Yo, this sounds crazy. Yo, I definitely recommend this exhaust. I'm not even kidding. Like, I wish you guys could hear it. I really wish you guys could hear it. I mean, maybe you could hear it. Yeah, but the only thing is, it's got a little bit of lag. Oh, man. Yo, I'm about to take it for a spin again.